275 divided by 9 using partial quotient. Let's set up our equation with our 9 on the outside, 275 on the inside, and your 9 times tables if you need them. We also need to write out our steps of divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start dividing in our biggest place value. That's the hundreds place. If we have 2 babies and 9 people, can we do that? No, we can't. So that means that we're going to go right onto the tens place. So now we have 27 babies and 9 people. If I skip counted 3 times, that would get me to 27. But that 3 is really worth 30 because it's in the tens place. Now let's multiply. 30 times 9 is 270 because 9 times 3 is 27 plus a 0. Then we'll subtract, which will leave us over with 5. Now we're ready to repeat back to division. Which place value are we going to divide? The ones place. So we have 5 babies and 9 people. We can't do that. There's not enough babies to evenly share. So everyone would get 0. 0 times 9 is 0. When we subtract, we're left over with 5. Now we have no place values left to repeat with. So let's check. Is 5 smaller than 9? It is. That means it's our remainder. So we have a remainder of 5, and then our answer comes from a 3 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place, giving us 30 with a remainder of 5.